Hey songwriters, welcome back to At-Home Songwriting, where we help you write more professional songs from the comfort of your home. Today we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of songwriting, and that's melody. Whether you're just starting or you've been at it for a few years, crafting strong, memorable melodies can make or break your song. So if you've ever felt stuck or uninspired when you're writing your melodies, stick around because I've got some tips and techniques and even a few exercises to help you elevate your melody game. So let's jump in. First, let's talk about why melody needs to be a priority. Over the years, I've learned just how important a good melody is. A strong melody can save mediocre lyrics, but your lyrics will never save a weak melody. I've seen so many writers, myself included at one point, focus so much on the lyrics that the melody gets thrown together and it's kind of an afterthought. But here's the truth. The melody is the foundation that everything else hangs on. It took me a long time to learn this, and I don't want you to miss out on knowing it much sooner than I did. So start with your melody first, make it catchy, engaging, and distinctively chorusy. Give your listener something they want to and they're able to sing back to you. Now, what makes a melody singable and memorable? Well, keep it simple. Simple melodies with stepwise motion moving from one note to the next are easier for people to remember and sing. Think of songs like Happy Birthday or think of pop hits like Taylor Swift choruses. Repetition is your best friend here. Repeat a phrase but maybe tweak it slightly to keep it fresh. For example, Jason Isbell does this beautifully in his melodies. He layers subtle variations that keep you engaged, and don't forget about rhythm. Make sure your lyrics fit naturally into the rhythmic framework of the melody, and that's the key to make your songs flow. Another key element is shape and structure of your melody. Have you ever noticed how some melodies seem to take you on a journey? That's all about shape. Experiment with shapes like arches, descending lines, or zigzags. These create contrast and keep things interesting. Also, think about the energy in your verses versus your chorus. For example, you might use shorter, punchier notes in the verse to build some momentum, keep it conversational, and then you might use longer held notes in the chorus to help you emphasize the most important lyrical parts and the emotional parts of your song. So now let's talk about practice. Developing stronger melodies takes consistent effort, and here are 2 exercises to get you started. Exercise number 1, humming variations. So this is really simple. Just take a simple melody that you know, maybe try a nursery rhyme or a song like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and hum it, and then start making small changes. Try altering the rhythms, maybe try changing a few notes, or maybe adding some rests and some pauses. This exercise helps you to explore how subtle variation can make a melody more dynamic. So try it. And the second exercise is a simple exercise that you can do using chord progressions. So choose a basic chord progression like maybe C, G, A minor, and F. So your 1, 5, 6, 4, and write 3 completely different melodies over it. Focus on changing the rhythms, your note choices, your phrasing, and this will help train you to see how flexible and versatile melodies can be even using the same chords. Song sections that have the same chords, or even multiple songs that have the same chords, can have completely different and effective melodies. So give these exercises a try, and try them multiple times. You'll start to see that your melodies will become stronger, and you'll start to get more experience, and you'll have more ideas to choose from. So no songwriter grows in isolation, and no melody comes out perfect the first time. So analyze the melodies of your favorite songs. Try to figure out what makes them work. What is the structure? Collaborate with other writers, get their perspective, and getting that perspective can shine a light on areas you might not notice. And of course, you have to practice. The more you write, the more intuitive and creative your melodies will become. So here at Home Songwriting, we're all about helping you level up your songwriting to write more professionally at home. On our website at athomesongwritingcourses.com, you'll find tips, tools, and a supportive community of writers just like you. So whether you're looking for feedback, inspiration, or simply a place to connect with other writers, we've got you covered. So head over to athomesongwritingcourses.com. You can join the free community. We also have a paid membership. The paid membership meets weekly. We do weekly assignments, and we really support each other. It's a lot of fun. You definitely want to check that out. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a fellow songwriter. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new video. And when you're ready to dive deeper, check out the free monthly workshops and our Pro Writer membership for more accountability and even more pro level tips. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.